Hey guys, this is me Rishikesh Anand. Welcome back to my channel Tricks and Picks. Today we are going to be doing another card trick with a bunch of cards. Let's get started. Now, if I had a spectator, I would have told them that they can cut the cards how many ever times they would like to. After cutting the cards, I would show them that all the cards are different. Now I could cut it for the last time. After cutting the cards fully, now I would ask my spectator to cut to any point in the deck. Let's say they just cut here. They cut at the 7 of diamonds. Now I'm going to try to find out how many cards are this. I think this is 24 cards. Let's see if it's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and the 24th card. I was exactly right. Now guys, this was the performance. Hope you liked it. Now let's get on to the tutorial. Hope you guys liked the performance. Now let's get on to the tutorial. This card trick is a very simple card trick and it will require a setup. The setup is, let me come towards you. You will need all the cards to be in red, black order. Let's just take around 13 cards. Now let's take a bunch of cards and now see. First card is a black, red, black, red, black, red. The setup should be on, and not only that, all the cards should have a difference of 3. So if it starts with a 3, 6, 9, 12, that's the queen. And again a 2, 5, 8, a king is 11, and ace 4. So that is the setup guys. It is a simple setup, but it will require a lot of time. After you do the setup, you can ask your spectators to cut the cards how many ever times they want. See guys, if you cut the cards, it truly does not change the order of the cards. After they are satisfied, you'll have to do one little move which I did in the performance. Now see, you should make sure a jack, that is a 13, should be at the bottom of the deck. Now it is already in the bottom of the deck. Suppose it was not in the bottom of the deck, you could just be very casually look around and show them all the cards are different and get to, when you see a jack, you just take all the cards before it and put it back. So you just make sure the jack is at the bottom. I'll get to it why the jack should be at the bottom afterwards. A jack is a 13, a king is 11 and a queen is 12. So after that you can ask your spectator to cut wherever they want. Most probably they will cut around the middle of the deck. Now you are going to show them that they cut to the 6 of clubs. Now this is the part where you will need a little mathematics going on. See, a jack is 13. That is why I told you should cut at a jack. Jack, a 13, minus 6 where they cut. It truly does not matter what suit it is. 13 minus 6 is 7. And you should multiply the answer you get by 4. 7 multiplied 4 times is 28 cards. And now you're just going to check, is it about little more than half the deck? You can see, yes, it is just a little more than half the deck. That means it is a 28 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So this is the trick guide. Please don't hang up because some cases this trick does not work and you'll have to add a little more effects to it. Now see, suppose you have the jack, it's a 13. Now why I said a 13 should be in the bottom is because suppose you 10 was in the bottom and they cut at the jack, a 10 minus 13 becomes negative number, so it cannot be. So the highest value card, that is the jack, should be at the bottom. Now suppose, let's just 1 second. Yes, suppose they cut at this point, a 2, you have to see what they cut at. That is what you can subtract and multiply the answer by 4. Suppose they cut to this 2 that has a very few cards. So 13 minus 2 is 11 times 4 is 44. This is surely not 44 cards. So you subtract 13. 44 minus 13 is 31. This is not 31 cards. So you subtract 13 again. 31 minus 13 is around 19 cards. 18 cards, I'm sorry. This is, I'm sure, not 18 cards. So again subtract 13. 18 minus 13 is around 5 cards. So I think this is 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exactly 5 cards. So you get me, guys. If the cards are not appropriately the number you get by multiplying it by 4, you add 13 or subtract 13 to that number. Thank you, guys. This is me, Rishikesh Anand. Peace out.